Hey, what's up?
What's up? What up? I've been waiting for you.
What?
Sit down.
What?
Just hurry up and take a seat.
What?
Here are some snacks and a juice for you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so now you're ready. This time I wrote a song, so please listen carefully.
What? A song? And you want me to listen to it? No way. No, absolutely no.
Then
No way.
give me the snacks and the juice.
So, what's the title? I'm really looking forward to hearing your song.
My turn.
Alright, go ahead and knock yourself.
I'm gonna go as far as I can today in this gas guzzling truck. If it stops midway, well that is that, I'll just fix it up and start it again. It still takes some skill to operate this thing, but I'm starting to get used to it. Now I can handle some slightly bumpy roads, although its body's not so strong. It's been repaired a lot and can now withstand light wind and rain. I used to think that other folks' trucks were better than mine, and I kicked it in frustration sometimes. But I've grown attached to it after all this time, and with it I won't see the night melt into the morning light. I'm gonna go as far as I can today in this gas guzzling truck. I think things been going well with it lately. It's my very good luck as I find each scar from the memory. I feel a little sad about the journey I've taken so far. When I drive this truck, though, I feel like I'm surrounded by kindness and bliss. I feel like I want to keep on going further with this. I used to think that other folks' trucks were better than mine, and I kicked it in frustration sometimes. But I've grown attached to it after all this time, and with it I want to see the stardust disappear into the morning glow. But all my memories and experiences packed up in the back of the truck. I'm gonna go as far as I can in this gas guzzler rains a day. I'd be happy if the tracks I drove could be of use to someone someday. I gave a hopeful smile as I was enveloped in the comfort of the passing wind. And now I think that I'm glad this gas guzzling truck is mine. Today, like always, the new roads have caused me to lose control of the wheel a bit. But I still manage to keep it happy and keep on moving on. I used to think that other folks' trucks were better than mine, and I kicked in frustration sometimes. But I've grown attached to it after all this time, and with it I want to see the sunrise with the night on its back.
What do you think?
It's a real pain to be honest, my toes every time you write something. Well, okay. think the song is really good.
Thanks.
You're likening the truck to yourself, right?
Right.
It's a mini truck like farmers use, right?
No, I haven't decided on anything in particular yet.
Yeah, it's a mini truck.
You can decide that for me
A
yourself.
Japanese mini truck.
No.
It's definitely a white Japanese mini.
Stop it. You can't decide that for me.
Well, then, how about one of those old-fashioned three-wheel trucks?
That's a possibility.